ÜrbnEdg, the first EDC card designed for people who care about sustainability without sacrificing convenience. ÜrbnEdg is a credit card-sized multi-tool designed to fit seamlessly into any wallet. From slicing through packing tape to prying open a stubborn paint can or tightening a loose screw, it's built for the small but essential tasks that pop up every day. Compact yet durable, it's always within reach, ready to handle any job without adding extra bulk to your carry. Our patent-pending magnetic design easily separates, revealing a hidden layer of tools inside, like a fork and knife. With this sustainable alternative to plastic, you can enjoy delivery or takeout with peace of mind. Now it's all about the meal, not the waste. ÜrbnEdg isn't your average EDC multi-tool. It's versatile, modular, and built to adapt. With its unique magnetic system, you can combine individual tools to form entirely new ones, expanding the functionality and versatility of ÜrbnEdg for any situation. Every piece has a purpose. Let's explore just a few of its capabilities. 3-inch ruler and protractor for quick measurements in both inches and millimeters. With the help from the magnet system, it can also convert into an angle finder and a level. Has a box cutter and scraper, it's perfect for opening packages, removing labels and stickers, and even clearing stubborn ice off your car's windshield in a pinch. The blade can separate into a general-purpose cutting or carving tool to allow for more ergonomic use in a variety of situations. Engineered from hardened steel, the blade could handle the most demanding tasks with confidence. But when it's time for precision, the magnetic system lets you build exactly what you need. So it's always equipped with the perfect tool for the job, whether it's brute strength or fine detail. Let's be honest, most EDC cards are designed for a wilderness survival show. I made ÜrbnEdg ready for your actual life. It's got the basics covered, but it goes further, with tools designed for daily urban challenges like a comb, for quick hair and beard fixes. It even has drinking games to turn idle moments into good times. Because your survival scenario probably involves a subway, not a snowstorm. A saw, mini hatchet, fidget toy, and more than I can possibly mention in a 3-minute video. But here's where ÜrbnEdg truly stands apart, this little lens right here. Configure your card like this, and suddenly, your smartphone becomes a powerful microscope. Fill these cells with your subject. They're designed to hold both liquids and solids, and use the handle to position and focus your view. With the shiny side facing up, this piece reflects your phone's flashlight to perfectly illuminate your specimen. Use it to find microplastics in places you never imagined, or just for exploring the hidden beauty of our microscopic world. And if we hit our secondary goal of $50,000, we'll unlock a major upgrade. We'll be able to meet the minimum order quantity for custom sapphire lenses. Sapphire offers superior scratch resistance and long-term optical clarity. And this limited edition upgraded version will only be available to our Kickstarter backers as a special bonus. ÜrbnEdg fits most standard wallets, but since it's thicker than a credit card, the fit can be snug. To give you the best experience, we partnered with 2 wallet makers to design these optional wallets with the perfect size pocket. The first is this sleek, low-profile MagSafe card holder crafted from vegan leather. Along with your ÜrbnEdg, it can hold your credit cards and even has space for some cash. Designed to easily attach to any MagSafe-compatible phone or case, the extra-strong magnets ensure it stays securely in place without falling off. If you need more space or prefer to carry a wallet in your bag or pocket, we offer this minimalist design made from aircraft-grade aluminum. It holds up to 6 cards, all easily accessible with this cool trigger switch, which includes a lock to prevent your cards from accidentally falling out. This wallet comes with an AirTag holder, a strap for holding some cash, and a dedicated external sleeve that's perfectly designed to hold your ÜrbnEdg. Internal magnets keep it securely in place, ensuring it never falls out. And if you need to travel light, simply remove the strap and it converts into a low-profile MagSafe card holder. Both styles include a telescoping reusable straw and a stainless steel toothpick. When paired with your ÜrbnEdg, you can confidently eliminate nearly all single-use plastic from your daily routine. ÜrbnEdg is more than just a tool. It's a step towards a cleaner, more sustainable planet. With your support, we can reduce waste, cut down on single-use plastic, and make a lasting impact on our environment. Join us in a movement to create something better, one small change at a time. And together, with your help, we can build a brighter future.